You don't always get to meet your heroes. No matter if you're inspired by their daring film appearances or have a room filled with their posters, or even if you get goosebumps every time you hear stories of their glory days. You can't find them beyond stories, no matter what. Last year, a few got a chance to meet their hero and drive the legend. And because true legends never disappoint, when called for, some make a comeback, twice. For those with the will to have it all, the ones who settle for nothing but the best, and they remain just as timeless, just as legendary, the era born again, once more. The Jeep Wrangler 1941 Willys edition, 41 new units, backed by popular demand.